The topic of this video is GN cleaning. The first step to prepare for the first roll change of your shift is to lock and tag out the machine for safety purposes. Here you see the operator tagging out the air line and turning the air off to the machine. Then, before shutting off the main power, the operator must turn off the Yushin robot. Next, turn off the main power to the machine and place your lock and tag. Be sure to turn off all air supplies to the machine. There is a second air line that you must turn off and tag. And now you are ready to begin the cleaning process. Start cleaning by spraying some Evolution SC spray on a clean paper towel and wiping down the roll stand. Move to the back of the machine and remove the two unwind rollers and place to the side. Swing the preheater open and place a sawhorse, or in this case a cleaning sign from the cleaning cart, to prevent employees from entering your cleaning area. Remove the preheater pad and put it in a safe place. Remove the dancer arm and place the wooden safety block in between the heater and the knife. Be sure to keep your hand on the bottom portion of the safety block. Then remove the window guide. Wheel over the cleaning cart and take a sanding block with 600 grit sandpaper to remove residue from the heater. Remember when scrubbing and cleaning the heater to wear gloves and a heat sleeve to prevent yourself from being burned. Use a dry, clean paper towel to wipe down the heater after sanding. Next, wipe down cavities with paper towel using Evolution SC spray. Wipe down the top, sides, and bottom of the preheater and check for any burrs on the heater. If you find any, notify a mechanic. Replace the window guide and wipe down with clean paper towel, again using the Evolution SC spray. Now start to replace all the components on the machine. Secure the dancer arm and wipe it down. The next step is to wipe down the preheater pad, or if it's dirty, replace the Sontara cloth. When you replace the cloth, be sure to initial, sign, date, and signify what shift with a black magic marker. Then reinstall the preheater pad, making sure it is secure and level. Next, swing the preheater back into position and secure with the bolt. Then replace the top and bottom unwinder roller and wipe them down. Be sure not to disturb the O-rings on the top roller, or these could cause smudges or scratches when the machine is running. Then work your way to the front of the machine. Now you are ready to start the machine back up for production. Remove the safety block and put it back in its place. Then turn on the air and remove the tag. Unlock the lock and remove it and turn on the main power. Turn on the other air valve and remove the tag. Then start up the U-shin. Finally, close the safety gate and you're good to go.